We'll guide you through how to center text in Cell and Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the Start screen fully loads before continuing. Next, open a new workbook or an existing file with data and make sure the correct worksheet is active. Locate the cell that contains the text you want to center, then click on the cell to select it. Ensure the text inside the cell is clearly visible before making any changes. Move your cursor to the top ribbon menu and click on the Home tab. In the toolbar, look for the Alignment group, where you will find several alignment options. Identify the Center Alignment button and click it to align the text horizontally. You will notice that the text immediately moves to the center of the cell. If needed, adjust the column width to make the centered text easier to read and properly displayed. Next, locate the Middle Align button in the same alignment group. Click Middle Align to center the text vertically within the cell. After clicking, observe that the text is now centered both horizontally and vertically. To clearly see the final result, click on another cell. If you want to apply this formatting to multiple cells, click and drag your cursor to select a range of cells. With the range selected, click the Center Alignment button again. Then click Middle Align to apply vertical centering across all selected cells. Confirm that all selected cells now display centered text. You can also use the Merge and Center option if needed. Select multiple adjacent cells in one row, then click Merge and Center in the alignment group. The cells will combine into one, and the text will automatically be centered. However, use this feature carefully, as it may remove data from other selected cells. To undo the merge, simply click the Merge and Center button again. Finally, review your worksheet to ensure the alignment looks consistent, and apply formatting like bold or font size if needed, and save your Excel file after completing the changes. You can also experiment with different alignment combinations to match your preferred layout and improve the overall appearance of your spreadsheet.